Welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can add cinematic transition in Premiere Pro. So in our example, we will do film burn or lens burn transition. So let's download the transition you want to add to your video. Once it has been downloaded, drag it into your Premiere Pro timeline. Adjust the transition to where you want it to start and where you want it to end. Once you have positioned it to where you want it to be, click the transition clip and on blend mode, change it from normal to screen. And that's how easy you can add any transition to your video Premiere Pro. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!